Okay, so the 4 slanting faces of the turret are to be tiled. Calculate the total area to be covered in tiles. So when you look at the slanting face, right, it's in the shape of a triangle, isn't it? And we know the formula for area of a triangle. It's just base times height divided by 2, yeah? Okay, now we actually know the base, okay? We know the base of the pyramid, yeah? The side is 6, okay, meters in length. So we know the base, we just need the height. You've got to be careful here, okay, when it comes to the height, because when you look at the pyramid, go back to this, we're not talking about the height of the pyramid, okay, here. We're not talking about that there. So if you were thinking, oh, let's just work out what that is there, okay, to the apex, right, from the center of the pyramid, that would be wrong, because that gives you the actual height. What I want is this sort of height of the triangle, which is like on a slant, isn't it? Okay, and it's not going to be 10 meters. 10 meters is the length of this edge, but to get the actual height of the triangle face, okay, I need to work out what this would be here, okay. Essentially it's going to be different to 10. It's better off, as I said, looking at the diagram that I've just drawn, okay. So just imagine now that face there, okay, being drawn here, where we've got the edges of then 10, then 10, then I need to work out this height here, okay. And it's all very straightforward, because if I draw that in there, what I've done is I've split this triangle into 2 and 2 right angle triangles, and because it's sort of symmetrical, and I know the base is 6 in total, I know that side's 3 and I know that side's 3, and what I can do again now is use Pythagoras to work out what that height is there, yeah. So again with Pythagoras, c squared is a squared plus b squared, okay. Now in this case that would be my c, wouldn't it? Okay, the hypotenuse. This would be my b, and that maybe would be my a, okay. So we focus on the right angle triangle here. So we've got c then, which is 10, so 10 squared. Little a I want to work out, and then little b is 3, okay. So this is 100, that's 9. So I've got to take that over and take away. So I get a squared is 91. A then will be the square root of 91, okay, which works out to be 9.54. Alright, so that's what the height of that triangular face is. To get the area then, remember base times height over 2. So the overall base of that triangle is 6. The height I've worked out to be 9.54, and divide by 2. So work that out, I get 28.62. Now, they want the total area, yeah? And remember there are 4 of these slanting faces. So the total of the 4 will simply be 4 times 28.62. And I get that out to be 114.48, okay? Or 114.5 meters squared.